English. Nimeloa leo nasoma. Sitaki ujinga, leo nasoma leo. My English is not yet for me. So I'm so sorry. Nikichanganyikiwa, if I confuse, I'm trouble. I'm put. I see my phone. Yeah. This is my country. I'm a Tanzania. Yeah. So if you pay money at the gate and you don't know Swahili, you have lost money for me. Yeah. And I don't care because they're my country. Hata nikija kwenu, I confuse me. So if you come here, my country, calm down. Yeah. Tanzania. Why not? This here, Tanzania. Sasa itaonekana sio mzalendo. It's not good. Sometimes it's Swahili, sometimes English. So tuta the same. Niko sawa. Tanzania, we don't know speaking English. Speaking Swahili. Every time speaking Kiswahili. So when I'm very surprised by Tanzania. When Tanzania artist curses on the stage. You know curses? Curses. You like the motherfucker. You know, Tanzania, we complain. Tanzania complain. Why you say this? Oh. But when an American artist curses on the stage, example, they say the motherfucker, yeah, I like it. Tanzania say proud. I don't know why. Wake up. I don't know. Fuck. What is the fuck? Fuck is fuck. Me, I like a movie. Every country, India. Where is India? You India? Yeah. India? Jamani, nani sasa jamani? Afu mzungu. Where are you from? Where ndo unasema jamani? You say jamani. Where from? Delhi. India. India Delhi ice cream. Kumbe Delhi nchi, country. Yeah. The big country, Delhi. Jamani, why are you laughing, my friend? Huh? Why are you laughing? You can't stand shit. Yeah, so I like the movie, but India is not serious. Anytime you are sing, if you writing, sing. If you sleeping, sing. If you cry, sing. Why? Anytime. Ndio maana Waindia wapo kwenye kombe la dunia wapo. Muindia anaweza akacheza mpira. Wait subtitle after time. Muindia anacheza mpira. Chani kile bilhamri kati hani tadu shumani, bilhadi bali kasidi kan hamri kan haji bin hamri kan zata. Goli ili hapa ili anatakiwa kushinda yeye na kipa. Merikabidi, hey, melecha na chani kale. Why India? If I like you see steering. You know steering kwa Kiingereza ndio steering. Yeah, steering if with a meeting or bed, you know, different America. Van Damme, if you stay on bed, you do it. He did. Evans. wherever he coming, anafanya kitu, wao tunaongea hapa. Tutaongea tutaelewa bwana. Anafanya kitu kwenye bedi. Dame mwana fua nguo your clothes put off, you know. Yes, sasa hapo mtaelewa. Unaona wewe mtaelewa hivi kweli jamani, hata hivi ndio Kiingereza mtaelewa. Anafanya kitu. What do you say, you know? Kama uko na watoto, yeah. Fast say put off the TV. Kwa sababu sawa. Put off the TV. Ila India, this is bad. Do it. You run. Where are you going? This is bad. Do it. Tanzania, we pay money to see. Do it, my man. Let me see. Thank you. My name is Pepe.
Yo, let's hear it one more time for Pepe. All right. For those who didn't get it, you understood the last part, right? That's the universal language.